Hello dear students and viewers, those who are interested to practice narration speech, the changing method of direct speech into indirect speech and indirect speech into direct speech. This video will be helpful to them, needs no telling. I have already published my many videos relating to English grammar through my YouTube channel, K Mondol YouTube channel. If you wish, you can visit my YouTube channel. Yes, remember K Mondol YouTube channel. I have already published the changing method, rules and definition of narration and changing method of narration. You can visit those videos which I have published through my YouTube channel. Direct speech. The Prime Minister said to the members of Parliament, "Let us serve the nation during this national crisis." Again, the Prime Minister said to the members of Parliament, MP, "Let us serve the nation during this national crisis." Indirect speech. The Prime Minister proposed the members of Parliament that they should serve the nation during that national crisis. We must know if "let" refers to proposed or proposal, the reporting verb "said" will be changed into proposed, and there will be "that" omitting inverted comma, and "let" will be changed into "should." Okay. We know as first person, US as first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb, the Prime Minister. But we should remember that the Prime Minister third person, let us first person us will be changed according to the reporting subject of reporting verb third person. So there will be they. The Prime Minister proposed the members of Parliament that they should serve the nation during that national crisis. This will be that we must know. Nearest word will be the farthest word. Nearest word will be the farthest word. Here, there, this, that, now, then, come here, go there. Yesterday the previous day, last night the previous night, tomorrow the next day. Ago, before. I have already published relating this matter. You can visit my YouTube channel. Next, number 2, direct speech. The health instructor said to the nurse, "Let us use hand sanitizer and cover our face during the international pandemic period COVID-19." The health instructor said to the nurse. It is also proposed. Let us. It is also proposed. So, the rule of this changing as like as number 1, I have already discussed in details. Number 1, the same rule. Number 2, the health instructor proposed the nurse that they should use hand sanitizer and to cover their face during the international pandemic period COVID-19, also at the time of nursing. Also at the time of nursing. Okay. Again, the health instructor said to the nurse, let us use hand sanitizer and cover your face during the international pandemic period COVID-19, also at the time of nursing. Also at the time of nursing, what will be? The health instructor said to the nurse, let us use hand sanitizer and cover our face during the international pandemic period COVID-19, also at the time of nursing. The health instructor proposed the nurse that they should use hand sanitizer and cover their face during the international pandemic period COVID-19, also at the time of nursing. Okay. Next, number 3, direct speech. The man said to the narrator, what do you know about the girl? The man asked the narrator what he knew about the girl. We must know it is interrogative sentence. If the sentence is interrogative, that said reporting verb will be changed. Said reporting verb will be changed into asked. Okay. Reporting verb said will be changed into asked. The man said to the narrator, what do you know about the girl? The man asked the narrator what he knew about the girl. It is present indefinite tense and reporting verb is past tense. We must know if the reporting verb is past tense, the reported speech will be correspondent past tense. So it is present indefinite tense, there will be past indefinite tense. Knew, K-N-E-W, knew. What do you know about the girl? What he knew about the girl. Okay, next number. Number 4. Mother often says, man is the builder of his own fortune. Mother often says, man is the builder of his own fortune. It is Proverbs. We know that Proverbs, universal truth, historical truth, habitual fact, it will not be changed. Only the conjunction will be used here. Mother often says that man is the builder of his own fortune. Okay, next number. Number 5, direct speech. He said to us, may you be happy in your life. We know that it is optative sentence. If the sentence is optative, reporting verb said will be changed into wished. And if there is object, there will be for also. And conjunction will be that, inverted comma will be omitted, may will be might. Okay, next. She said, she wished for us that we might be happy in our life. You, second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb, as first person. So, you subject. So, as subject, we nominative case. Okay. Your possessive case, it will also follow the object of reporting verb as your possessive case, as objective case. Objective case will be possessive case, as our, your, our life, your life, our life. Okay. So dear friends, viewers, students, you all are requested, advised to follow my series of videos which I have published and I am going to publish chronologically. And if you follow my YouTube channel, you will find many videos relating to English grammar. I have prepared for you those who are staying at home and suffering from mental depression. I hope that my video will be helpful to them, needs no telling. I wish you every success in life. No more today. Thank you all.